Good, I'm Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Android 16 Beta 1 update on my Pixel 9. This update is so good that I actually bought this Pixel 9 just to run Android 16 after seeing it online. So very, very nice update. We're going to go through some of my favorite features. I'm not going to go through every little change and stuff like that. There's plenty of videos out there that already do that, but I'm going to go through some of the stuff I like and some of the refinements that I think make Android 16 really nice and worthwhile. So first things first is the settings section's been fixed up a little bit. It's a lot cleaner, looks a lot better in my opinion. I like the way it looks. That's in dark mode. We'll go ahead and turn it into light mode just so you can see what it looks like in light mode. And back to dark mode. We'll talk about the quick toggles and everything and the status bar and notifications, all that here in a second, but let's get through the settings section. So if we go to wallpaper and style here, this is a little bit different on how you customize your device. So you can tap here and you can go into your lock screen settings. So your clock, how you want that to look, your shortcuts, notifications. There's new styles for this. You can either do full list or you can do a compact view, which gives you like a one main notification and then the little notification icons. And then your customizations down there on the bottom for all that stuff, which is the same. It's just, down there now. If we hop over to the home screen, this is where you can change your colors. So you can theme it based on, your wallpaper or whatever like that. You can also go to other colors and just choose from the color picker right there. And you can do all that right there. Your color contrast is in here. And your layout. The layout's the same. It just doesn't have like 4x4 or 5x5. It's just small, medium, large, and extra large now. So just the naming is different, but it does the same thing. So there's all that kind of stuff. Again, notifications and stuff is, basically the same. But what's different is the status bar, the quick toggles, and how the notifications look. So this is the full expanded view right here. And you can see up top there, we have the clock, nice large clock with the date and the day and all that kind of stuff. We have your expanded icons. So we have the vibrate. That's your main set right there. We have do not disturb, Wi-Fi, cellular, and battery with the battery percentage now in the battery icon. If we pull down once, we get the fact that the phone's on vibrate. If we pull down again, we get everything. We get the carrier. And we also get the time that your battery is expected to last till. So you don't have to go to settings to see that anymore. You can see it right in the status bar when you're on the full expanded view. So that's pretty cool. If we edit the quick toggles here, you can see that you can tap on these and you can, oops, I accidentally removed that. Not what I wanted to do. We'll put that back. But you can actually tap on them and you can expand them. So you can have them kind of like a double view right here with the icon and the text, or you can just have the icon, which is what I leave mine on because I don't really need to know what all these are. I know that's the flashlight. I know that's the rotate, battery share, screen recording, all that kind of stuff. So you can customize that to your liking now as well. One cool feature is when you wake the device up, now instead of the screen waking up and fading in from the bottom, it actually fades in from wherever you tap on the screen, which I think is pretty cool. It's just a nice little touch. We've got your new volume slider right here with some nice haptics, just very, very subtle haptics. When you let it scroll, you hold the button, you let it scroll, there's just, a nice little, physical feel to that. I also forgot to show we have the new brightness slider up on the top there. So that is pretty nice. I just think that looks a lot better than the kind of bubbled everything. I'm a very big fan of the Material 3 Expressive. I think it looks very nice. It's very customizable. Obviously, there's some stuff that doesn't work quite right in Beta 1, and there's some stuff that's not in Beta 1 yet, but this is what we have right now, and it was such a nice update that, like I said, I actually went out and bought a Pixel 9 just to try Android 16, basically the Pixel stock version of it before it comes to any other devices. So I just want to give you guys this video, let you know it is running very smooth. Battery life is very good. But like I said, there are a few quirks here and there, but nothing that is detrimental or, keeps me from using my device or anything like that. But very nice on my Google Pixel 9. I'm Colin with Techout. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.